Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be replacing Vauxhall Astra case spark plugs. The spark plugs are located under the engine cover, and to remove the cover you will need to first remove the oil cap and then remove the engine cover using a triangular bit screwdriver, a T30 or a flathead screwdriver, whichever suits you. Now lift the cover, however there are two retainer bushings holding the engine cover to the engine, therefore there will be a tension when removing the cover. Now depending on your engine you should see 3 or 4 ignition coils. To remove the ignitions you need to remove the screw using a 10mm socket. To remove the last 2 ignitions you will also need to remove the bracket in between. I'm just going to remove the first spark plug to make the video short, however they are all removed the same way. You don't need to unplug the ignition coils as their wires are long enough for you to place it out your way. Using a deep 5/8 spark plug removal socket and an extension bar, start to remove the sparks. Do excuse as the camera went out of focus when showing the socket. The benefits of replacing a spark plug is it gives you a better fuel economy, your vehicle gives less harmful emissions, and the fully functional spark plugs causes consistent production of optimal combustion for the engine. These spark plugs are longer than the standard spark plugs. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.